A is the point 2t, 3, 4, and B is the point 1t, 2. We want to find BA. BA, remember, means going from B to A. And this will be A minus B. BA is equal to A minus B is called the turnaround rule, and you can always use this. To explain this, let's consider a vector diagram. If we have the origin here, and we have vectors A and B, which take us to the points A and B. If we want to consider going from B to A, we go backwards along B and forwards along A, which is A minus B. So A minus B is going to be 2t, 3, 4. Take away 1t and 2, which gives us 2t minus 1, 3 minus t, and 2. We now want to find the modulus of BA. We know that this is the square root of 2t minus 1 squared plus 3 minus t squared plus 2 squared. We should simplify this, so we need to expand some brackets. By any method we like, 2t minus 1 squared will give 4t squared minus 4t plus 1. 3 minus t squared gives us 9. Take away 6t plus t squared, and 2 squared is 4. So tidying this, we have 4t squared and another t squared, which is 5 altogether, minus 4, take away 6 in terms of t's, gives minus 10t, and for numbers we have 1 and 9 and 4, giving us 14. We now want to find the value of t that minimizes the distance between B and A. If we minimize the expression in the square root, we'll minimize the whole expression. So we only need to minimize 5t squared minus 10t plus 14. To do this, we can differentiate. So if we differentiate this expression, we get 10t minus 10. And for a turning point, we need to set this equal to 0. So we get 10t is equal to 10, and therefore t is equal to 1. Note that we don't need to check whether or not we have a minimum, since we can't really have a maximum distance between 2 points. We can just keep moving them further apart. We now want to find the minimum distance between B and A. So we need to calculate this expression with t equal to 1, since t equals 1 gives us the minimum distance. If we do this, the modulus of BA is going to be equal to the square root of 5 times 1 squared, take away 10 times 1, plus 14, which is 5, take away 10, add 14, which is the square root of 9. So the distance is 3.